Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. And today we're talking about a coin that is gaining quite a lot of traction in terms of buying power, because obviously the BNB market is taking off. The coin is called Broccoli, and this is CZ's dog. Now people are talking about the next potential massive explosive meme coin here on BNB. Obviously the markets are doing well, but we're yet to see that real billion-dollar market cap BNB asset explode. Like we did with Solana. When Solana started to take off in the meme coin space, we obviously saw bonk and then we saw whiff, right? So we're looking sort of for that motion to sort of repeat itself again here on the BNB chain. And this is why I'm doing this video, because Broccoli, being CZ's dog, has actually been around since February 2025. So it's been around for quite a long time here. It's been up and down here in terms of market cap. The all-time high market cap for it was $100 million, and we did see it dump down quite drastically from that point. Only naturally with these meme coins that does happen. It's had a few other spikes, nothing really crazy to mention here, but in the last 7 days you can see there has been a massive order. Okay, the order itself sent this asset all the way up to $63 million in market cap, near enough a 2x from where it is now. So it's retraced. It's looking like it's coming up here. In the last day, it's actually, I mean, it's come up a little bit in the last day, but it's still technically break even. But the last 7 days, up 12% in general here. So there is potential for this thing to really start to rally. Okay, so let's really go into the chart and let's see what we're actually looking out for here to see how we can make some money essentially trading this. Now, before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you about a brand new Solana meme coin trading bot, because this thing is destined to do really well. Okay, it's raised $4.5 million in their pre-sale so far. They've got an amazing ecosystem around this bot. They're mentioning some very reputable sources across the space. And also, if you look at this chart, you can see that the best crypto trading bots in the space right now, you've got obviously Trojan, Banana Gun, BonkBot, Soul Trading Bot, and other ones there as well. And you can see that this one has lower fees, it's a faster sniper, it has better limit orders, copy trading. So only naturally the users will migrate over to this, being a free product. Okay, now when that does happen, this coin, the Snort coin, in my opinion, is going to go absolutely ballistic. Okay, and that is why getting involved with this pre-sale, this early stage, is a very good opportunity to buy right at the very bottom of this chart before it launches. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check out that alpha. Obviously, go do your own research, all that good stuff. Now, Broccoli, as you can see here, in the last 12 hours, has seen quite an aggressive spike. Nothing too crazy, but still a spike nonetheless of around 100%. Okay, so this is where it gets very interesting here, because when we're seeing spikes like this, which doesn't actually make that much sense in comparison to the CMC that we were looking at here. So maybe there's something wrong. Oh, this perpetual contract, that's why. Yeah, so the perpetual contract here for Broccoli here has obviously come down a bit. These are obviously 12-hour candles. No, this does make sense. Yeah, it's 12-hour candles back until the 7th, when we did see this thing really start to explode. And now you can see it has taken a bit of a tumble here in terms of a retracement, but a retracement like this is quite interesting to say the least, because it's not going to be going up like this for no reason. There's definitely something behind it that is sort of fueling this massive growth spurt. Okay, so what we're really looking for now for this asset is going to be a breakout scenario of this trend line, because the breakout scenario for this trend line is not even that far away. It's literally like just under a 10% move. If that is going to happen, guys, we could be looking at some really big aggressive price action to the upside from that point. You can see it will be 70% up to that high that it did set in previous price action there. And you can see there is obviously take profits along the way from previous highs that we can actually be whacking in there as well throughout our position. Okay, so in terms of like how well this asset could be doing in the short term, I like to say there is a nice clean long position here. Probably worth 5, 8, 11, 17% if you're feeling fruity enough, or 15% if you're feeling fruity. But overall, there is explosive growth that is looking pretty good for this asset. Okay, if we look at this over on the daily, you can see genuinely it's got quite, well, this is obviously the low, this is a higher low. We have, higher low wick here. This would probably be the higher low level of support, and then another higher low coming through here. So overall, guys, we are actually breaking highs, setting higher lows, and overall it is actually an uptrend. Okay, so maybe we come down, we bounce, and then we go again and test highs. If that is going to happen, this right here is the perfect DCA opportunity. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. Super intrigued to know your opinion. That is going to be it from me. Go check out Snorter Token. Link is in the description for the next best Solana meme coin trading bot before it launches. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.